chains, then you want to build on this. How we're going to do a single crochet is, so I can't put a stitch in this chain that I'm in, because if I do that, it would just unravel the work. It wouldn't work out nice. So I go to the next one, and I go down, pick up a loop, yarn over, and through. And this is a single crochet. So down, pick up a loop, over, through, down, loop, through, single crochet, down, pick up a loop, down into the stitch, yarn over, hook it, bring it back, yarn over again, and pull it through both of them. Down, hook, through, hook, through, down, yarn over, bring it back, yarn over there, and bring it through both loops. So these are single crochets. All the way to the end. So these are your single crochets.